Systeme.io Website Builder Tutorial 225. How to create a website with Systeme.io. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to give you a full step-by-step tutorial on how to create a website using Systeme.io in 2025. No coding, no tech, no headaches, and totally beginner friendly. Whether you are building a site for you, online business, blog, or landing page, Systeme.io makes it easy with drag and drop tools, built-in email marketing, and even sales funnels. And so grab your coffee and let's build your website from scratch the smart way. So first of all, you have to open your web browser and search for Systeme, and as you can see, the website, the first web link is systeme.io. You have to just click on there and just click on start for free now, and uh, give your email address here and get my free account. And after that, let me tell you, they have a forever free plan with tons of features. So they're asking, tell us more about you to get the best out of Systeme.io. Do you already have a business? We have to just click on that. So no, I don't have a business. So what's your Systeme.io account email address? So let's give it there. There's the name, and click on submit. And after that, you're almost there. We've sent your email to confirm your email address. So we'll just go on our Gmail inbox and see for the confirmation. And in order to access your Systeme.io account, please click on this confirmation link. So after clicking on the confirmation link, as you can see, there is a form like create a password to confirm your account. So we have to give our first name, our last name. We have to give a password. Let's use this one and click on I'm not robot and click on save. And after that, we are on the official dashboard of the Systeme.io. And uh, once inside the dashboard, we can see the funnels, emails, blogs, automations, and websites. The section will focus on. So first of all, we have to click on websites in the left hand menu. The CRM, websites, emails, automations, assets, sales help, and all. We'll just click on websites and click on blogs, sales funnel, digital stores, whatever store you want to create, like for the website. And we'll just go with digital stores. And oops, it looks like the still list is empty, so let's go on create, and let's select a name like wish and get, and let's just rename it wish and get system.io. Okay, just go with this wish and get, and the language should be English, and we'll click on save. And after giving our name to the website, we have to choose a blank template or one of their clean pre-made layouts, like this is a blank template. And as you can see, we can also select pre-made templates from there. If you want a fast setup, you can choose a pre-built site and customize from there. So let's go with this one and apply theme. And after applying it, we'll enter the website builder interface. Super visual, everything is drag and drop. So after coming here, we'll just reload this, and after that, body font, apply theme, and after applying theme, we'll just click on add new product, and as you can see, redirect to an external link, redirect users to an external site or add a creators affiliate link. We can you can add a thumbnail image here, and you can also after that, after uploading the thumbnail image, you can just select this one and crop and select an image. And after selecting that, you can just add a text like the demo text is check it out, and a button like click me, visit my affiliate link. You can paste a URL from here and save as draft. And after that, you can add new product, and you can collect email addresses and build your email list from here. You can select an image as a thumbnail. You can add text, subscribe to a newsletter button, give a button like subscribe, and subtitle. You can give any subtitle like get the latest news and updates. You can collect the info like only the emails and the first names. You can also add another fields like street number, neighborhood, postal code, city. You can add city. You can also add postal code from here. And after clicking on next, as you can see, thank you, you can edit the thank you page. Thank you, visit us again. Let's write it, visit us again, and check your email inbox for our latest updates, and let's publish it. And after publishing it, you can see there is two sections like a redirect to an external link, check it out option, and collect emails option. You can also add a new product like sell a digital download. You can sell PDFs, spreadsheets, templates, exclusive content, or any other files. As you can see, you can select a header image here, and after that, you can add a text like my digital product name, like let's say it says marketing marketing and digital presence. Let's say this is the product name, and you can add a button like buy button and get instantly access to let's copy our product name and paste it here. After purchase and start transforming your productivity today. And after clicking on next, we can add a checkout page, like you can add a image from here. I'm just showing you for the demo purpose, that's why I'm just reusing the same picture everywhere. So after that, you can add a text, get your hands on the product name. We'll just uh, paste the product name here, and you can just select buy now, and you can add a description. So for writing a perfect or a valuable description, you can use ChatGPT on 2025 and get a description professional and on your and from the output of your prompt you have given. So get instant access to the product name. Let's just edit it. Market digital presence after purchase and started transforming your productivity today. This is a growth. This growth PDF is designed to help you like master time management techniques, increase productivity with actionable tips, unlock tools to streamline your workflow. You can also add another option like uh, make make your digital uh, presence, and you can add many more, and we'll just keep it there. You can just collect info like email, first name. You can also add some other fields like last name, postal codes, and city, state, province, and country. And after that, you can also uh, give some price plans. To create payment pages, you need to connect it to a payment gateway that's supported on Systeme.io. So let's see what type of payment methods they accept. Like it says they accept Stripe, PayPal, Mercado, Pago, and Razorpay, Flutterwave, Molly, Go Cardless, Zendit, Paystack, Secure and Pay, Cash on Delivery. So you can select any of them you are liking. Like you can select Stripe, and you can also select PayPal, that is mostly used worldwide or globally. So we can see many options from the settings menu. Like it says the profile, you can build your profile from here. You can upgrade your plan from here also, and you can edit your account from here, and affiliate, create an affiliate program. You can also add custom domain for your website, and after that uh, you can set up your payment method here and click on next. After clicking on next, it said digital download. Select a name, my digital product name. So let's go with the product name, like marketing digital presence, and we can upload our digital product. Let's say this is my digital products, as it's a demo purpose. I've already told you, and you can edit confirmation email. You got uh, product name, and thank you for purchase. You can now instant access to the product name. Let's just paste it here. So you are already getting to know that this is a easy method to build an a website rather than any traditional website building and all. So you can add your sender email address and then select that one, and you can click on save. So after that, confirming information, you have to go into the next page and select thank you for your order. Instructions to access your resources have been sent to your email. Please check it out, and just click on publish. So you have to select the checkout page. For that, we'll just go to the West Stores and Vision Gate. Let's go here, and we can also add sell a course. From here we can just give a thumbnail picture, then add text like my 12-week program, and get my course as the button name, and we can add some subtitle from here, and you can click on course, checkout page, thank you page options, just like the product page. And after that, there is other option, like you can add a section, like let's say the priorities. Let's add this section, and the section has been added like this one, priority. We can add a product, or we can edit the priority section, and let's view the website. Like this is the one web link, like a Ricky Well. Subscribe to our newsletter, email, first name, city, and we can get also the postal code from here. And whenever someone subscribes, we'll get all the informations uh, through our email of the customer or the client or the possible client, and everything updates live, so no preview needed. And you can add page to your site, as I've already shown you that you can add product, and you can also add section and all other pages, like contact us, services, blog, legal pages like terms and privacy. And you can also add email sign up and connect to your list, as I've already shown you that. And you can just edit it for your mobile optimization plus SEO settings. And after that, when you're ready, just click publish. You can just click on publish. Let's say, and this is the page, and you can just publish the page. After giving you the domain name, you will get a free system.io subdomain, like your name.systeme.io, or you can connect your own domain, test your site in both desktop and mobile view, and you're done. And that's how you build a professional functional website in Systeme.io for free in 2025. It's fast, powerful, and includes tools like email marketing, sales funnel, and automation in all in one place. As you can see, you can also automate workflows from here, and it's fast, powerful, and includes tools like uh, the I have mentioned already. And if this helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you are building. So see you in the next video, guys.